beat James at golf.
Morning people, it is Monday and it's freezing. Right now I'm just heading to the gym. I've just caught a lovely trade. I've got plenty of things going on this week. I'm going to be trading, I'm going to be going to the gym, I'm going to be yapping. Me and my best mate James are going to Cardiff on Thursday. We're going to go to the Valleys during the day and then get absolutely mashed in Cardiff in the evening. So that'll be fun to vlog. It'll be a nice mix of business and leisure, if you will. I took a winning trade this morning, first trade of the week. I'm going to post a little breakdown of that after this, but now I'm just heading to the gym, but then I've got a 10-hour shift later on today. So yeah, let's start the week off strong. I'm going to do a trade recap of the trade that I took this morning in the London morning session. But before I zoom in, I just want to lay out that I was looking for price to sweep below these relative equal lows here before even thinking about looking for a buy. That's what I wanted to see in order to start looking for buys. So when that happens, obviously you can see it happened here. When I identified the low of this leg down, which I identified when this energetic bullish candle was formed, I laid out the fib from the high to the low, and I wanted to see a fair value gap in this area here, in which we got here with that energetic candle. Price came into it, entered here, stop loss at this swing low here, target in the previous high, and the 8:30 opening price was here, and because we were below that and I was looking to go bullish, that was another confluence to buy. And literally a very quick move, within 10 minutes it'd gone up. Absolute beauty. I expect the price to be a bit more bullish further into the London session, but it's actually come back down, so I'm not too sure where it's going to go later on, but I've got work now anyway, so I'm not going to be looking at the markets. But yeah, good trade, happy with that one. 1 to 4. Nice start to the week. I was meant to leave to go to work 5 minutes ago, but this is the setup. 8:30 candle, create the fair value gap, tapped in. That is the setup. That is why it's going to go and hit TP. Beauty, there we are. Literally hit TP whilst I was on the way to work. I did close my position whilst I was at home because I didn't want to leave it running whilst I went to work. But obviously I did profit, so it was a profitable trade and the bias was correct, hit TP. Successful trade, successful day, beauty. Now to just carry on with work in this lovely weather. This is the first time that I've been here and we've got the place to ourselves. Mate, look at that. What a view. We've landed in Cardiff city centre. We're scouting places to drink later on. So Arsenal's better.
Nice, not very nice.
Arsenal's better.
I don't really like it.
Neither. Does the job though, doesn't it? Wash it down with vodka. My mum's just said that that dog didn't look too big. You weren't there. It's bigger than us.
It wasn't even a dog, it was a lion.
It was. So we've had a few drinks and we've come to a golf place. I'm about to beat James at golf. But first, look at this place, man. Look at this place. Fuck! Bro. We're in Blockbuster. It's reopened just for golf.
feeling?
That's alright.
I feel rough as shit, bruv. Give me an Eggs Benedict and a matcha and I'll be alive.
This is the cure to all issues. Right, just got back from Cardiff, just dropped James off. It's literally 1:10, which means at 1:30 I can trade the New York AM session and get a trade in today, and then go to the gym, and then go to work. Feeling a bit rough, but it'll be better in a minute. Let's get it.